The island can only support 500.
The man is flying blasting in the sky. Thank you, so much.
How's the weather in Australia? No. No, 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 no. Hi, Mo ni Andrea.
Lawyer, I will dress you in pure.
Oh, so many patients. You're here in the Philippines, so expect a lot of patients. Like really. There's a lot of what you call this here in the Philippines. No. I think I'm going crazy because I'm locked up of sleep. I only slept for 4 or 5 hours. Thank you, No. Did you hear my question, No? Hi, Sabi Boy. Did you hear my question? St. Luke. Oh, that's familiar. Is that a public hospital? Nikosu. Ayan. No. Malis na si No. Is that a public? Hi, Kenja. Hi, Sabi Boy. Thank you for tapping. Where are you from, Sabi Boy? Sabi. I like the name Sevi. There's a fictional character whose name is Sevi. And he's a green flag. Hi, Blanc. Nikosu, is that a public hospital? Is St. Luke a Oh, okay. Kaya pala. Ikaw nagbabasa ka ba ng Wattpad? Kaya pala si ano ka pala, si Sevi. Asan si Elise? Where's Elise? Wow! What pa? Ano pala to si Sevi Boy?
My best friend was about to go down to the river for a swim. My husband stood nearby, looking restless and distracted.
Grabe! Isusumbong kita kay Calix. Mag-friend. Ano lang sila? BFF premium lang sila ni Luna. Bakit ka ganyan? Hala ka ni Elise. I think Nikosu is still busy. Ano? Ikaw may hangover ka pa kay Luna ha? May ilis ka na nga. Tantanan mo na si Luna ha? May Calix na siya. Hindi ka ba nakakaano ng 10 years? 10 years, bro. Grabing hangover mo kay Luna. Si Luna ba yung fave University series character sa girls? Oh, you're still here, Nikosu. I thought you're busy. Hi, imaginary friend. How are you, friend? How are you, my friend? Hi. My friend. Hi, Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo, dap. Oh, you're doing good. Okay. What are your plans for today, friend? Ooh. I'm so sleepy, guys. Asan na ba to si Sebi? Hi, NRG. Hi, Mark. Mac lang pala. Mamak. Hi, Chel. Ay, nag-work ka pala. Ewan ko rin, nakalimutan ko na rin yung tanong ko sa'yo. Ay, hindi. Si Luna ba yung Hi, Aksay. Si Luna ba yung yung fave mong university